Okay, it is a bit dark, but I'm going to start it up. So, as you can see, it's cold. It's just gone 6 o'clock and it is cold outside. There she goes. And there you go. There's the oil pressure right up. Obviously, when it's warm, it drops down a little bit. But when she fires up, that's what she does. I was going to go and taking the foot off the clutch now. I'm going to go and take you outside, but it is dark. Let's see if we can see anything from the exhaust. Okay, that I mean, it's dark, but that is the exhaust. I'm trying to do some different angles just to see. And as you can see, it's not smoking at all. If you leave it idle for an hour, though, it will smoke. But normally, there's not a smoke issue. So, yeah. But I will. And here we go. Okay, as I say, the engine is cold. What doesn't help is I haven't got my glasses on. Okay.